Bornang. Parking places. Let's go, my love. Huh? Mini bus? Mini golf. Mountain doon. What mountain is that, love? The snow is already melting. Arabis. That is the mountain. Arabis. Why there are a lot of cow drawing here?
There is a contest at the time of all art fanatic around cows. They have lots of cows on top of the mountains to do the cheese called the Reblochon.
Okay. So, yeah, just walk. I will follow. I can wait, okay? Ito sa biathlon. Ito yung game na biathlon. So this is still part of ANSI? Why is that ANSI? Le Grand Bornand?
Because it's a partnership.
It's a partnership of ANSI, okay. Okay. So ayan, yung biathlon na yan ay yung game, yung winter game. Pagka yung, di ba, may nag-i-ski, tapos mag-stop sila, tapos what is the tawag? What is the call of that gun? What is that kind of game? Biathlon? Anyway, biathlon na nga yun kasi maraming game yan. Ski, tapos mag-stop sila sa isang lugar ulit, tapos mag-shooting, yung nakadapa na nag-shooting. Pagkatapos, takbo ulit. Yun na yun. Hindi ako marunong mag-ano. So, yeah, because that biathlon, a lot of games, yeah? Okay, my love, let's go. So, yan. Okay, yan. Yung river, meron siyang fence. Okay. Ito, hindi nawawala ng tubig. Pero pag winter, yan? Snow. Nag-yellow na siya pagka winter kasi dito punong-puno ng snow na dito. So, yung river na yan, tuloy-tuloy at galing yan sa pinakamataas na bundok, yung natutunaw na snow. Yan. Kaya, tubig ng snow yan. Hindi yan mawawalan. Okay, let's go, my darling. Mga chalet yan. Bakit dito sa bundok kung saan makapalang snow sa ski area ay bakit mas gusto nila na woods? Kasi mas siya, mas warmer. Pagka panahon ng tag-snow, mas warmer ang woods. Mahiting naman kaysa sa simento. Ang simento kasi lalong lumalamig pagka winter. Kaya karamihan dito sa mataas na bundok sa Iskeria, ganyan, karamihan ay woods ang gamit. So yun nga yun. Kaya mas gusto nila na woods yung gamit dito kasi nga mas warmer pagka sa winter. Kaysa sa simento, nag-absorb yun lalo ng lamig. Yan. Kaya ikot-ikot tayo dito sa kabundukan. Kabundukan ng tralala. Okay. Dito tayo ngayon sa tulay. Tulay ng buhay. Okay. Yan yung... Yes, my love? Super nice. It's beautiful, yeah? super cool.
Okay, it's
Huh? Maybe that is a part of the game during the winter biathlon.
maybe
Where?
the music.
Where? So, okay lah. Let's go. Look at that. It's beautiful village, no?